This is watch hobby. This one to show you another unboxing of a watch. Now, as you notice, this particular box is watch box is actually quite long, as you can see here. Japanese made, so that if you notice how long it is, here's the box. It's a Seiko, as you can see. And if you open it, it's a Seiko Prospex Datsun, which is a new collaboration between Seiko and the predecessor to the Nissan motor car, which is Datsun. The third watch box. So a box in a box in a box. And finally, the main box itself. So it's Prospex, Seiko Prospex, limited edition, all black PVD chronograph. Anyway, I'll do a full review of this watch when I have the chance. You can have a look at it in my blog. It's in the description below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. Oh yes, before I forget, I think there's something underneath. Let's see if I take it out. Yes, the manual as well as the warranty. There's a pin lapel 7240Z, and also a very nice signed cloth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.